Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, what is the first step of making a house or you can say making a dream home? Okay, so that is the planning. So first of all, we will have to make the 2D plan of that. Now the question is, how can we make a 2D plan? So the answer is, if you want to make a 2D plan, then before actually getting the pen and paper and start drawing each and everything, we will have to think over here that what to draw. Now the question is from where can we get the ideas? So there are two ways. First, you need to study all the theories that are related to the building planning. And if you want to go for that, then you can simply just give me a call on the number that is there in the description. It's 8433248864, and I will teach you what are the different concepts of making a building plan. The second thing is you need to study a lot of plans. Okay, really a lot of plans. Okay, so how many plans do we need to really study? So it's as much as you can. And from my opinion, I will say, let's say 500. Yeah, I'm not like exaggerating it. It's okay if you are studying 500 different plans, because then you will get like a lot of ideas, like what is the best suited place to place the like a room, where should we place the kitchen, where should be the toilet, and what should be the like size of all these building components. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here in this video, I'm going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plan. Now, I've already studied a lot of 30 feet by 50 feet plans, and today I'm going to study the ground floor as well as the first floor. So all the plans have something unique in them. So every time you are watching my video, you are getting some new ideas out of it. And if you think that this is going to be helpful for you, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I am publishing any kind of video, then you can get notified from that. Okay, now I am going to share my screen with you and I will show you the plan of the day. So this is the plan of the day. You can see this is having ground floor as well as the first floor, and I'm also going to show you what is the dimension over here. So you can see this is 15 plus 15, that is 30, and then there we have 50 feet dimension. So what is the uniqueness of the plan? Let's discuss about that first. So first thing is that this is divided into two different portions. What is that? On the left we have one portion, on the right we have another portion. Now in my opinion, it should have been symmetric. Obviously if you are going for the symmetric view, then the vastu will not be followed, but that gives a better look to that. Okay, so you can see I will study the left portion of the building, and then we'll go if there are any kind of changes in the right portion. Okay, so here we have the lawn first, which is 7 feet 4 inches wide, which is quite good. Then we have the porch area, which is again 13 feet long and 8 feet wide, which is spacious enough to park a four-wheeler and a two-wheeler all together. Okay, so through this, we will just enter to this veranda place over here, and we will enter the building through here. And then you can see we have the staircase starting right from here. So this staircase is inside the building. Okay, so you can consider it like that. Then this will open up to a hall area, and this hall area will give us access to the kitchen, which is in the front and is getting the ventilation from the lawn, which is again a good sign of making a good plan. Okay, so you can consider this particular unit as a 15 feet by 50 feet unit instead of a 30 feet by 50 feet unit. Okay, because this whole plot is divided into two parts, and because this is being separated from this or you can say through this long wall over here. Now this hall will take us also to this toilet area, which is also a common toilet, and then we have a bedroom over here, and this toilet and the bedroom is getting the ventilation from this open area over here. Okay, so this is open to a sky, and it is again kind of wide area, and you can also use this area as the wash area. You can place the washing machine comfortably over here and also get the ventilation from here. Okay, so this you can say is a well arranged plan over here. So you can say this is a well ventilated plan on the ground floor. Now we will take a look on the right side, that is the second unit of the building. Okay, so again everything is similar over here, and everything you can see is just a copy of the first one. Okay, so this is again quite a good sign of a good plan. Okay, now we will go for the first floor over here, and then we will calculate what is the total plot area and what are the other things that are present over here. Okay, so you can see we have this uh, step over here, and we will start studying the first floor always through the stairs. Okay, because this stair is taking us to the next floor. So we will not study it from the front or the back. We will always study it from wherever the stair is placed. So you can see this is again a open area present over there. This cross sign always denotes the open area. So this is good for the ventilation to the stairs, and it will also reduce the echo sound over there. Okay, so now we will reach to the next floor through here, and we have again a hall over here, which you can also consider as a lobby area. Then it will take us to the bedroom, and now this bed toilet is attached to the bedroom, and again the ventilation is through this open area. Okay, now we will come to this side, and again over here we have another bedroom and a toilet attached to it, and we also have a balcony over here. So everything is quite beautifully arranged in this plan, and the second unit of the building is just the replica of the first one, that is the left one. Okay, so we don't need to study the the both the units, because everything is symmetric over here. Not symmetric, but everything is just the replica of each other. Now, so this is a 30 feet by 50 feet plan, a north facing one. As you can see, this is the direction over here, and also this particular plot is holding 2 units. Now we need to count the number of the bedrooms for each unit. So for each unit we have 3 bedrooms, one over here, another one over here, and the third one over here. So this is a 3 BHK house for a single unit, and on total it is a 6 BHK plot area. Okay, now, so that was a beautiful plan, and now we will go ahead and look for the elevation part of it. But before that, I want to announce a little thing. So just give me 2 minutes. Okay, over here you can see I'm going to launch a course on AutoCAD drafting. Okay, so what this course will hold, this course will have all the tools that are necessary to work in the AutoCAD for a civil engineer. This is particular for the civil engineers and the architects. Mechanical engineer also use the AutoCAD, but this course is not going to be helpful for them. Okay, this is only for the civil engineers and the architects. Okay, so what we are going to learn, we will learn the whole thing that you can see over here, and more than that also. So you can see uh, if I will just read out the course content over here. So first of all, we will start with the introduction, what is AutoCAD, where it is used and everything. Then we will go ahead and learn the commands like the lines, circles, rectangle, arcs, polygons, construction lines and rays, snapping. And we will discuss everything in detail, like where it is used, all these commands, like how we can just use them quickly, and where is the exact location where we have to use each and everything that you are looking over here. Okay, so you can see after learning all the basic commands over here, we will learn the few important things, that is how to do the plotting and the printing. That is the mistake that most of the civil engineers are still doing. Then we will learn the quickest way to draw the 2D plan, or you can say draft the 2D plan, because in AutoCAD we draft anything, we don't draw anything. Okay, whenever we are adding dimensions to any drawing, then it is drafting. Okay, then we will also learn how to make the furniture layout. So this, in this plan you will not see any kind of furniture, but we will also learn how to make the furniture layout. Then we will learn what are the concepts of positioning the columns and how we can do that quickly. So everything will be going over the screen, and this session is going to be completely recorded, so you don't need to worry about that. Then we will learn about the beam column layout over here, and then we have this center line diagram. Okay, so everything is quite clear over here, I guess. Beam column layout, what is beam column layout, what is center line diagram. If you have any kind of issue, then you can simply just text me, and I will also give you a glimpse. I will make another video and explain you about the course. Okay, then you can see what are the different benefits of enrolling in this course? You will get the recorded session of the complete course. So this course is completely recorded, and you will get the access on the Google Drive. Then you have the doubt clarification in WhatsApp group. So you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you can ask your doubts, and we will clarify it, and I will personally take all the doubts. Then uh, since all these sessions are recorded, so you can watch them at your comfortable time, and we will also provide you a few class notes, like whatever the commands I'm using, I will just give you that in the PDF format. So those are handwritten notes, so you don't need to worry about anything. The course fee is 999, which you are going to pay in advance. Okay, there is no installment policy over here. And if you want to go for the live classes of all these things, then you can go for that for 3,999. That is, oh no, sorry, 2,999. That means almost 3,000. If you want to go for the live session of all the things that are present over here, if you want to go for the recorded session, it's just 999. Okay, so and you can just easily draw a plan like this, and actually the better than this. Okay, so you will learn how to make the furniture layout, you will learn how to position the columns, how to make the center line diagram. Everything will be included in that course. So how to get that course? You have to do it's just a WhatsApp on the number that is given in the description. So that say that sir, I want to get this course, and I will give you a call, or you can just call me on that number, and I will give you the QR code of the GPay. You can make the payment, and I will just go ahead and give you access to the course once you share the screenshot of the payment. Okay, now I will go for the elevation of this plan. So you can see the elevation is quite simple, it's still like eye-catching over here. So you can see the door is placed over here, the window is placed over here, and the doors and the windows are placed over here. Okay, so we will study over here also. What is the ground floor plan? So this is the door over here, and the next window is over here. So actually it is not the correct one, and we need to like say make the mirrored image of all this thing. Okay, so how we can do that? We will simply do a very simple thing over here. What to do? I will just select all this thing, and today you are also going to learn the mirror command in this. Okay, so this is not the right elevation for that because this is not symmetric. So I'm just going to select all this. Okay, then I will go for the mirror command. I need to deselect all these things. Mirror command is over here. Then I will go for the midpoint. Okay, so here we will not go for the mirror command, but we will go for another thing. That is, we will select the whole thing, and then we will copy it, because mirroring is not going to help us. Okay, so we will select this, copy it, grab this door, and place it over here, because that's the exact way how the plan was there. Okay, so there was a little mistake in this elevation portion, and since they are just the students, so they can make the mistakes. Okay, everyone is not the expert in the first go. Okay, so it's okay, and we can just go with this one. Let me check one more thing. uh this was the Porsche area, this is the door over here, and this is the door over here. Okay, one little modification is needed to be done. I will just press Ctrl Z. Okay, select all the thing, then I will grab the copy button, and I will place it here. So this is the exact position of all the stuffs that are there. Okay, now I can also trim out this one, or I can simply tr double enter, trim it like this. Okay, so now it's done. Now it's perfect and correct actually. Okay, so this is how you can just make the modification, and you can see how quickly I have done the modification, and you can also do all these things if you are enrolling for this course. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and grab it. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. This was Jom signing out. Thank you.